Bruce Dore. I'm one of the staff scientists that works at Science North, and in this video we're going to explore the 3 states of water. So I have a slide to show you where we can see the different states of water. So water can be in a liquid state, can be in a solid state, or can be in a gas. So liquid water is what we are used to seeing. It's the water that we bathe in, that we drink. The solid water is what you see, especially during the winter time. Whereas gas, the gas form water, which we call water vapor, you can't see, it's invisible, but you might feel it on a hot, humid day, you know, and it's sticky everywhere and it's a little bit hard to breathe. Well, that is the water that's in the air. All right, so for our experiment, we're going to need certain materials. So what you will need is a bowl of ice, a small metal pot, the smaller the better. A spoon could be metal or wooden, doesn't really matter, and some salt. Now, before you start this experiment, just ask the permission of an adult to do it because it gets kind of messy, and that's why we're doing this experiment here in my kitchen. So to do this experiment, I'm going to ask a helper to come and help me. This is my daughter, Penelope. So she's going to help me with this experiment. So the first thing, Penelope, you're going to do, you're going to add ice to the pot. All right. Just there we go. So we got the ice in the pot. Excellent. So we got the special camera so we can see what's going to happen in the pot. So Penelope is going to take the salt. You're going to add salt to the ice, and I'm going to stir it up. There we go. Keep at it. Need lots of salt. So open it up. What do you notice with the ice?
Bumpy.
Yeah, it became bumpy, and that's because of the salt, and the salt actually made holes in the ice. So we're going to keep stirring. Hey, pin it up. I don't know if you noticed, but what's at the bottom of the pot?
Water.
Yeah, there's water forming. So what is happening is that the salt is lowering the freezing temperature of the water, and therefore what's happening is the water needs to freeze at a lower temperature. So this water here, which is ice, is transforming into a liquid state, and that's why we use salt in order to melt the ice. In other words, it requires a lower temperature for the ice to stay solid, for the water to stay solid. So I'm going to mix a little bit more. What is that? I noticed something on the outside. What is that, Penny?
Frost.
Yeah, there's some frost there.
Make frost.
What's in the air?
Water.
Yes, there's water in the air that touched the pot, and that's where this frost has come from. So what this proves to us is that there's water in the air, water vapor, and that became frost when it touched a really cold metal pot. Very good, pin it up. So boys and girls, we did a very quick experiment to show you the 3 states of water: solid, liquid, and a gas. And next time when you go outside, you will see there's water everywhere. So I want you to kind of take a look, see where the water is and in which state it is. All right? So have a good day, boys and girls. We'll see you next time.